This training video reviews the process required to properly prepare a panel for metal bond. As always, proper safety equipment should be utilized. To install a replacement panel that will be weld bonded, first test fit the replacement part to ensure proper fit. Once proper fit is confirmed, prepare the replacement panel for weld bonding following the adhesive manufacturer recommendations. For Norton Speed Grip Epoxy Panel Bonder 90-minute, the mating flanges of both the new panel and the host panel must be cleaned to bare metal prior to applying adhesive. After installing the adhesive cartridge in the dispenser, the plungers are leveled and a bead of the adhesive the length of the adhesive tip is dispensed. Next, the adhesive is applied along the entire bond line on the vehicle as well as the replacement panel. Make sure to cover all bare metal by brushing out or spreading the adhesive. Reapply a bead that is 1/2 the width of the bond line on the panel where material has already been brushed out, then fit the panel into place. With the adhesive applied, the panels are clamped in place. Glass beads in the adhesive help ensure the proper bond line thickness. Wipe excess adhesive from the joint. Perform resistance spot weld while the adhesive is still wet. Following repairs, foams, seam sealers, and corrosion protection materials are applied.